DJN TV.
Kasala don burst as the governor of Delta State don order the investigation of the wahala wey happen for PTI junction for Warri wey involve policeman keke and yahoo boys motor. My sabi person, na hello, how your side? I welcome you to DJM TV daily news update. That one channel for YouTube wey dey give you real matter, real gist, per real time. You understand the matter now? E get one matter wey we carry come today. Na very important matter sake of say this thing don first cause wahala for the country before. Na concerning police and the yahoo boys dem matter. May I give una small lowdown? I know say e never too tey, never reach like 3 abi 4 months wey be say the whole country shut down sake of say EndSARS protest, stop police brutality. Wetin make dem really go on this protest in the first place? Wetin cause the protest, the beginning? Na the way the police dey take dey harass boys for street based on fine boy, fine motor, fine dressing, you come out, they go say you be yahoo boy. Whether you get legit work or not, e no concern them. So far you be fine boy, you young, you dress fine, you carry fine motor, you be suspect. Wetin come really burst the matter that time? Na one boy be like say police come dey pursue him motor, say see. You know na olopa come give am 1 or 2 groundnut for him body. They come carry him motor, dey leg over, dey run. As they dey run, that boys come video dem say more na see them o. They give person groundnut, they dey carry the motor, dey discharge. Na social media carry and spread down. Everybody no, end police brutality, end EndSARS now. And that matter come quick, come make everywhere tight one kind. Everybody come dey protest for Benin, for Warri, for Lagos. We come know wetin happen for the Lagos matter last for Lekki now for October. And so the thing come be when we dey feel say sometimes they come comot for road, police come comot for road. So we come dey feel say this EndSARS protest, so we do it don yield small, at least e don yield small good. Say okay, at least police now they go dey do their job, with caution, with the right sense of patriotism, as they call am. E come be like say they go back, go reorganize themselves, because wetin come play again for street recently, na matter be like say e no even suppose happen. In recent times, we come dey hear people dey come outside dey shout, even the one wey we don still witness with our eye kroko like this. E be like say they don come back to road again. They dey stop you, they do stuff. Tell you na stop and search say they not be search but they na stop and search. But for that stop and search, many things all dey happen now. So people dey cry, they say who they incriminate them, they put things on their motor to use that to arrest them later for front. All those kind matter there. We confirm some. Some happen for our before, for our eye, we see some of the way happen. But this one we can really cause trouble for Warri. And I'm not say Warri people, they need dey see wahala dey run. Warri people don't say Warri no dey carry last. So now like this, men just dey no, everybody dey go about their business, they do their normal thing. And like simple, what we know, police motor begin pursue some boys wey dey for motor. They say they be yahoo boys, they pursue them with their motor. Van. That kind of thing, and they not even they consider whether motor they call, keke they call. They just they move, they pursue the boys there. As they pursue the boys there, the next one we know, police motor carry head, go hit one keke. Everybody for the keke, both small and big, all of them leg over. What he call provoke the boys there for Warri. Now what they say, I say, sure. 2 people leg over, they cross go the other side. Smally and Emile. 2 of them just cross go the other side like that. And that boy is proposing for waiting. Before we know, they don't block road. Before you know, another protest already start to. Not be small thing. In fact, the governor of Delta State, Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, don order the immediate investigation into the matter. He say wan know wetin happen. The governor give the order for a statement when they released by his chief press secretary, Mr. Olisa Ife-Ajika for Asaba. He say all this kind of incident they no good at all for the common man to even dey hear. Say the thing dey get as e dey be. Because he can't charge the police authorities for the state. Say make dem commence urgent and sharp investigation into the circumstances wey surround the loss dem. According to Okowa, he said the sad news of the leg over of that Mile and Ismaili for Warri, he not just like am at all. Na very unfortunate and disheartening matter. Although Shayin call condole with the family for their loss. Say make dem not cry, make dem not worry. Government go do everything in power to make sure say they bring the culprits there to book. The governor don also charge the police, say make dem ensure law and order may prevail for the area. Sake of say he no want anything wey go make kasala burst for a tenure. Also, one member of the House of Representatives, Honorable Ben Roland Igbakwa, when they represent Ethiop Federal Constituency, don ask the Delta State Commissioner of Police, Mr. Mohammed Ali, to arrest the culprit behind that wahala wey happen for Efrun for PTI Junction for we local government for Delta State. The when they ask people there about these two people that were involved for this leg over there, they got to say the woman na fish the woman they sell it be like who they go market before the accident wey involve the police van. According to the source for there, like what I don't tell them before, they pursue. They say they pursue Yahoo boys. At the end of the day, Yahoo boys they not cash. People leg over for the matter. Not be small thing happen. The people they wait there for them, they will carry some of them go hospital safe. So or say, make they go make sure say everything they okay with them. So the matter now, what they carry and reach police. Police say they don't sit up their own. Police don't deny you. They say their people not do anything. In fact, I don't call even boss boys head. How you go say something happen? Una come as I call deny say police no do anything for wetin they see. The Delta State Police Command don say they not do anything no. Although the governor don order say make they do immediate investigation into the matter, but police they talk say not be wetin happen. Say na one tipper lorry wey carry sand na lose control na run enter the keke, nobody injure, everybody run comot for the keke. The police public relations officer DSP Onome in their statement don deny report wey link the police with the tragedy. They describe the claim say na false and unfounded. He dismissed the claim linking the personnel of the Operation Delta Hawk and the officers of the Ebrumede police patrol team to the leg over of the people there were involved for the keke wahala. Anyway, whether they deny am they not deny am. They say wetin I see, you know fit deny am. Warri boy is a verse. As the matter be now, so it go better see me police just make they just apprehend those men from the Ebrumede police station. Make they do what they're supposed to so that peace go reign. Anyway, my people, don't forget to like and to share this video and don't forget to subscribe. Me will bring you this news. My name is Lawuru Favor.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
People don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJ ATV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJ ATV.